So I need someone to help me with deliverability ongoing. So for sure now, and then like as my like I just would like someone on hand to make sure my emails are getting delivered and optimizing. And the email gets sent. As you can see, there's a 31% open rate
Opened, yeah.
and a 13% click rate. It's really bad. It should be more than 50% because it's literally like they're waiting for it. Do you know what I mean?
Are you facing issue that the emails are landing in spam or the promotion tab mainly?
I think it's mostly promotions. What is it, the decam thing?
Yeah, you have some issue with like SPF and also DMARC.
Can I give you can I hire you to work on this? Or how do you want how can we do this? Let me hire you and like start a contract on
Yeah,
um
that's fine. That's fine.
okay.
I can check and monitor how the KPIs work and what's improvement needed and whatever it is.
If you can accept it, I will send you all the details. Okay.
Okay, okay, sure.
So I am a new creator and I'm launching a course. And so I started audience building about 3 weeks ago via Facebook lead gen ads. They're going really well. I have like, I'm getting leads for like $2.80 a lead, which is pretty good. I think industry standard is like between 3 and 5 for D2C. So I'm happy about it, except my emails aren't landing. So like my Facebook is doing really well, and I wanted to show you my active campaign. Like I'm only getting a 33% open rate, which is really weird because the freebie people usually like want the freebie, so they probably like put their email in and they don't get an email and don't realize it's in promotions.
Okay,
And
okay.
then I have active campaigns set up so that the tag on the person changes once they've downloaded the freebie. So in the email, so basically the way it works is Facebook, they get served an ad on Facebook or Instagram. They put in their name and email, and then that form is it's there's no Zapier bridge. It's like automatically sent to it's natively integrated to Active Campaign. So Active Campaign gets the lead from Facebook automatically, tags it as like lead from Facebook, and then sends an email with the automation. And then once that lead opens the email once that lead clicks on the download link for the freebie in the email, they get tagged as they got the download. Well, only 11 of my 300 plus leads have gotten my download. So there's something very wrong. So I figured, you know what, I need a specialist. I have a virtual assistant. She's really good with like design work and stuff, but I need a tech person. Like I need a person to help me with tech. And I saw your profile looks really, really good. So was wondering like I didn't see Active Campaign in your description, but you said you work with it. You know it well. So I need someone to help me with deliverability ongoing. So for sure now, and then like as my like I just would like someone on hand to make sure my emails are getting delivered and optimizing. And I will give you context that a couple weeks ago I had another VA, the virtual assistant, who like messed my whole system up. I had to redo all of like the DKIM, SPF, blah blah myself. I'm not a tech person, so like emails are getting sent out, but there's something wrong with the diameters, I think, in one of the DKIMs too. So anyway, I need someone to, I don't have time to do this myself or solve it myself. So that's why I'm looking to outsource.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
how many emails? I mean, you are sending per day or per week?
Okay. So I've 318 active contacts since like 3 weeks ago, which is pretty good. I'm like really happy with that. So you can see I'm probably sending out, let's just add them up for the last 24 hours. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 12 to 15 a day. Yeah, I was wondering if you could help me with this. So this is coming from Facebook. So what happens is the lead comes in, it gets tagged, made some principal, just my house list, you know? And the email gets sent. As you can see, there's a 31% open rate
Opened, yeah.
and a 13% click rate. It's really bad. It should be more than 50% because it's literally like they're waiting for it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, I got it. Yes, exactly. They're hot
Should be
leads,
60 to
not just
80.
cold leads.
Yeah, they're hot because they've clicked on an ad. So if they're cold, I'd be okay, but like yeah, it's not good. So I don't know how to test. I don't know how to I like the other person I had messed my whole system up. It was working. My emails were getting into the because I was testing it with my like just my friends and family. And initially they were going into the promotions tab, and then he did something and like redid an activation, and it started going into the inbox, and then he messed my whole system up, and I had to fire him.
Are you facing issue that the emails are landing in spam or the promotion tab mainly?
I think it's mostly promotions. I think they're landing, but just in the promotions tab.
Okay, okay.
What is it? The decam thing?
Yeah, you have some issue with like SPF and also DMARC.
DMARC, sorry. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because like they're connected and verified, but I know there's something in the code. Like there's something in the code that I'm missing. So how can we do this? Can I hire you to work on this, or how can we do this?
Yeah, we can do that in this way. And regarding the access, so you are using directly the email that you are using is from Active Campaign or any other source.
No, it's from so the domain I bought on Squarespace,
Mm-hmm.
but the all of the DSK file, like all the like TXT files are all in Kajabi. So Kajabi hosts my website. My domain is hosted in Kajabi, but I bought it in Squarespace. But Kajabi is where I modify all of the DMARC, DKIM, whatever
Okay,
type
okay,
thing.
okay. Got it. Then I need the Kajabi access maybe because where the DNS records are located.
DNS records,
Yes,
yeah.
that needs to
I'm
be
wondering.
checked.
I'm wondering if so I just want to make sure my site won't go offline. I'm happy to give you all the access, but I just want to make sure my site's not going to go offline if you change the
Yeah,
DNS
yeah.
records.
I'm not going to change anything. That means you can check it within an hour. I don't need any more actually.
Okay.
I will do
Okay.
it quickly and get back to you that if it's working or not. That's it.
So I don't want to send my passwords via Upwork. How can I send you a Google Meet link and then we'll hop onto that and I'll send you all of the logins. Does that work?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
And sh-
Just Upwork, they're very restricted nowadays. They just want to
Oh.
everyone in like stay inside them. That's why you can see
No, I'm going
they.
to pay you for Upwork. I just want to I don't want to send my password through Upwork. Do you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
yeah, I got it. Um,
Can I open a
can you do
contract
it
and then
via file or something?
well, I don't like what's your email address? Okay, I'm going to send you logins, okay? For Kajabi and what active campaign or just Kajabi?
Uh, I think I need Kajabi to like set up the things. Then I need to check uh, the email, like sending test email. So
Okay,
yeah,
let me hire before I send out my passwords, given we just met, let me hire you and like start a contract on
yeah,
um
that's fine. That's fine.
okay.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do it right now so we have it. And you can just log your hours worked, type thing.
yeah.
Just so we have I'm just gonna call it email deliverability. Okay. So I'll just pay you by the hour, okay? What do you do? I would like to have someone on my team,
Mm-hmm.
albeit once a week, that helps me optimize this stuff. Like, would you want to work for me a couple hours a week? Just
Yeah,
so, like, 'cause
I'm open
as
for
I'm
that. Yes, I'm open to that.
because I would like that because I would just like someone to be like, cool, your emails are going out. Like you can be in charge of the metrics as it relates to my email campaigns. Like your open rate is like every Friday we have a check-in. Like maybe if it's like 4 hours a week, whatever.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
so you can monitor
I'm
the
open
emails are
for that.
landing. My open rate is okay. Yeah, because that'd be great. Because like as my launch ramps up, I want to make sure that my emails are landing. And if you could be the one checking that, I'd appreciate it.
Yeah, that's fine. Then go
That's
for it.
that's
Yes.
why I figured. That's why I figured we play by the hour, so you could just log. Like we'll start today, but then I like I'm gonna be sending out emails now every other day, and I'll be like, hey Sheriff, let's have maybe on Fridays we have a check-in where you tell me what my open rate is, what you should do, what you're optimizing type thing. You know what I mean? 'Cause I'll be asking you things like, I want to add a picture in now. What do you think? Like just things like that. You know what I mean?
I got it. I got your point. Yeah, I'm open
Okay.
for it. It's
Okay.
completely fine. I can check and monitor how the KPIs work and what's improvement needed and whatever it is.
Okay. And I'm gonna put start date today, so you can start today, and I'll put like max 10 hours a week. So I don't think we need more. I think it's plenty, but like I'll put 10 hours in case like 1 week,
Yeah, yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, please. Go for
Okay.
it. Thanks.
Okay, so I just did that. If you can accept it, I will send you all the details. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, cool. So if you can accept the contract, I'll send you the login, and then like maybe we can touch base tomorrow quickly, and I'd like maybe we can do a quick video conference tomorrow whenever you're free. You can walk me through what you did, just so I know for myself, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thanks, Jeff.
Talk
So
to you
accept
soon.
the contract and then we'll go. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.